Have you been wanting a DX Commander Expedition antenna? Well, let me tell you, the time is now. Right now, through April 11th, 2023, Callum is having a sale. They're already $20 off, but through Easter weekend or through the 11th, he's also including free shipping. That is huge. Now, here's the catch. He's having a little contest between me, Jason, Josh, and Hayden. He's put 25 expeditions on each one of our links. I've only got 3 left. You guys have been awesome. You've already been buying them all. Use my link first, then use any of the other links if there's none available on my link. But somewhere in the comments, put K at MRD sent you, just for a little fun. Now, we're not getting any kickbacks from this. This is not, I'm not getting paid to do this. Nothing, zero, nada. The benefit is, whichever one of us YouTubers sells out of these first, Callum's gonna donate a DX Commander Expedition for us to give away to you. So we've only got 3 left. So I really wanna give away a DX Commander Expedition, and I'm sure those of you that want a DX Commander Expedition would love to save money on them. So click the link in the description. I'll have all 4 links. Go hit the K at MRD radio stuff link first, obviously, and then choose Jason, Josh, or Hayden. I would love to see all of these antennas sold out. There's 100 total. There's probably been about 25 or 30 probably already sold. So through April 11th, 2023, right now, go buy a DX Commander Expedition. You're welcome.